welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to draw a Rubik's Cube very simply. More specifically, a 2x2x1 cuboid. Let's get to it. Woo! Let's get started. So first you want to draw two lines, kind of like this. Take a minute to look at it. Then you draw a square, kind of diagonal from the corner right here. And then you want to connect the corner to the square. That's why it has to be diagonal. And this line should be a bit shorter. So I'll trim it. And then you connect all the corners. Then you draw a line there and there. And one down the middle here. And one down the middle here. And you have a Rubik's Cube. But you want to color it, right? So you take your crayon and color it. Okay, now that you finished coloring, you're done. But this doesn't look so good, so I don't care. But now you have a Rubik's Cube that you drew. And it looks nice. Do you see it? Thank you for watching. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and in the comments down below, tell me if you have any suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye!